welcome to my New York City kitchen. I'm attempting to do this recipe video while Isla is still awake. Are you gonna be good?
No.
No, okay. So this is what I love to do for some week prep. So in the mornings, I like to have pre-prepped breakfast already done. I'm not a morning person and I really don't like to cook in the morning. So what I do in the beginning of the week is I prep these things in little muffin pans, or muffin tins, I guess you call them. And I bake them and it's ready to go. It's in the fridge and it's ready to go. And then I just pull it out in the morning, whatever it is that I'm gonna make, heat up for Isla, and that's it. So I'm gonna show you, or I'm gonna attempt to show you in a very quick video, all three of them that I like. You can join me. Can you say hello to everyone? Hi. So what are we gonna make first? Are we gonna make the eggs? Are we gonna make the oatmeal? Or are we gonna make the French toast? I have no idea what you just said. Well, I'll tell you what we're gonna make. We're gonna make egg, basically like omelets in a muffin. We're doing oatmeal to go with fruit in a muffin cup, and then also French toast. And all of them can be refrigerated, and then you just pop it out in the morning, microwave it really quick, and it's done. And she loves them, and I love them, and it's so easy and so fast. All right, let's do it, okay? All right, so the first one I will start with is the French toast. So, let's tell them how we do this. So, I've got brown sugar. I'm putting in, I'm using almond milk. You can use any kind of milk that you like. So, I'm putting in my almond milk. And then I'm putting in my maple syrup. I'm just doing this for the sake of time. And then cinnamon. And then eggs. Now I'm using these eggs also for our little omelet muffins as well. So I have a pretty good idea of how much I need. I'm just gonna pour it in here. Okay, so I'm gonna whisk it all together. Yeah, we gotta mix it up. Here, you wanna mix it? Go ahead, you do it. Okay, thank you. All done. All right, so that's it. We just mix it up. And then I have some bread that I already broke apart. I toast it a little bit before I put it in here. Oh, do you want a piece? So I put it in here. And then I'm just gonna mix it up and let all of that soak for a little bit. So all of that will soak, and I will set it aside over here. So while that is happening, I'm gonna work on the egg omelets. All of this stuff is gonna go into a muffin pan. I'm gonna spray it down with coconut oil I like to use, but you can use whatever you prefer. So I'm gonna do all of the muffins in this pan together. So we're gonna put the vegetables in. Do some broccoli. Broccoli, yep. And then we're gonna do a little bit of spinach. Wow. And then I just pour the eggs over top. And you can literally put whatever you want in there. Whatever kind of omelet you would want to make, you do whatever you want. I just so happen to do whatever I have on hand because it's the easiest, but that's really it. So that will go in the oven at 350 degrees. I think that they all bake at 350, but I'm gonna wait until I put the other things in the pan and then we'll put it all in together. Our final breakfast muffin is gonna be the oatmeal muffin. So I started out with the old-fashioned rolled oats, which are already in here. So baking powder. Ground cinnamon. Brown sugar. Applesauce. I like to use these pre-packaged ones. This is usually the perfect amount. And then milk. We're gonna do almond milk again. And And then our eggs, we're gonna do about half of these that I have left. A little bit of vanilla again. And then this one, I'm just gonna mix it up. I'm not gonna whisk this, obviously. Okay, so this is all mixed up and I'm going to pour it into our muffins. And then I'm gonna take our French toast that was soaking and I'm gonna put that, yeah, I'm gonna put that in the final cups that we have left over. All right, and then our final step. So I put some of our favorite fruit toppings on both the oatmeal and the French toast. You don't want it? You love strawberries. Strawberry! I try to cut them up pretty small so that it all fits in there. And I usually stick them in, like I really stuff them into the French toast so that they stay on there. Okay, so these are all of our muffins. I don't know if you can see without me spilling it, but we've got French toast, we've got oatmeal, and then we've got our omelets. So I'm gonna stick in the oven, 350 degrees. They all definitely take a little bit of different times, which will be in the recipes that I post below this video. But for the sake of time, I'm putting them all in together, right? And then I'm gonna give Isla a bath and put her in bed, and by that time, these will probably be done, and I'll be back. Okay, Isla is in bed and breakfast muffins are officially done. I wanted to bring you guys up close so you can see them. How gorgeous. These muffins are so easy and I am not a morning person. One of the hardest things about being a mom is having to get up out of bed early in the morning and just like whip up breakfast for your toddler. So take it from me, these will save your life and a ton of time in the morning. You just have to put in a little bit of work in the beginning of the week, but it's not even that much. You guys saw I had a screaming toddler and I was throwing ingredients together for you guys, kind of measuring, kind of not measuring, and they still turned out. It's that easy. It's not that hard at all. And I know you guys are gonna love it. Just keep it in the fridge, pop out whatever you want in the morning, microwave it or toaster oven for like 30 seconds, and that's it. Breakfast is done, and you don't really have to think about it. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you love this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.